Welcome everyone to another USI Tech Talk. Today we have a pretty exciting demonstration of an active leak repair with Bobby Clemens and Nick Cliff. They're both salespeople here at Unconventional Solutions. They're experts and are definitely going to show that off a little bit today. So Bobby, if you want to start us off with some information, and then we'll jump into our demonstration.
Thank you, Chris. I appreciate it. Thank you all for joining us. Again, my name is Bobby Clemens. I'm here with Nick Cliff. We're going to be doing a nice little active leak repair demonstration for you. Before we kick it off, I just want to show you a little bit about the products that we'll be showing you today. We have the 108 pipe repair tape, which is perfect for emergency pipe wrapping repairs. And the bandage, once activated by water, can be used to seal pipe work ranging from 1/2 inch to 15.5 inch diameter pipe. You can see there it says it's solvent-free polyurethane technology, which is super fast curing, suitable for all types of substrates. There's no shrinkage, and it can resist up to 750 psi once cured and 518 degrees Fahrenheit operating temperature. So we've had a lot of great feedback from this product. You can see from those pictures that it is great for elbows and pipe bends as well. And on the bottom there, very wide diameter pipe repairs if needed. The other product we'll be showcasing is our 103 metal repair stick, which is a single component solvent-free epoxy repair putty in stick form, which cures very rapidly at room temperature, about hard dry in 30 minutes. No shrinkage, perfect for leaking pipes, hold pump or valve casings, leaking tank seams, pipe flanges, and any type of emergency repair. So without further ado, I'm going to pass it over to Nick, and I'll be right in there to join you.
All right, as these guys get set up, I'm just going to remind you we will have a Q&A at the end here. So if you have any questions, I will open everybody's microphones and we can have an open question and answer session.
All right, good morning. Thanks for joining us. We're going to go ahead and work on this active leak repair. If we go ahead, Bobby, get this thing plugged in for me real quick. This is our demo kit that we take out on site and train you and your staff on how to go ahead and make these repairs and get some live feedback from our trainers while they're actively doing it. So we've got a leak here. This product that we're going to use today, as Bobby mentioned, is going to be our 103 repair stick. It comes in a tube like this. You'll go ahead and break yourself off or cut yourself off the amount that you think you're going to need. You're going to need that into a nice uniform color. I've already gone ahead and broken off a couple pieces here. So I'll go ahead and get started with that right now. I'll break off a little to my assistant Bobby here and have him start kneading me up a cube, if you could, Bobby, so we can roll it around here in just a minute. But you're going to continue to knead this into one nice uniform color. And you'll activate the two components inside the epoxy metal repair stick, the fast cure stick. So we're going to be looking at starting to harden up within a few minutes. And you're going to push this right into your bandage, which is going to be the 108 bandage that you can see down in here. Comes in a nice tight air sealed package. You'll go ahead and open that up. Have yourself a bucket of water nearby so you can go ahead and dunk in your water activated wrap. Give it a couple squeezes, 3 squeezes or so while it's under the water, and really activate those resins that are inside that bandage. So as you can see here, we're getting a nice uniform color. I'll try to come show the camera a little bit here. There was some black and gray in here. Now it's all one nice uniform gray color that we're looking at. I'm going to go ahead and open up my repair tape. I'm going to go ahead and dunk this in the water and get it activated. All right, now that we've got the water all activated here on the wrap, you're going to take your metal repair stick, and you're going to push this right into the bandage. And I'll bring this up closer to the camera here in just a few seconds. So you push it straight up into the bandage, and you can see the metal repair coming through the fibers here. I don't know if that's too close or not. Chris, give me some feedback on that if you could. Okay, cool. So then once you've got that worked in, you're going to come up to your hole, and you're going to hold this right on top of it with your thumb. And now that you've got your metal repair in place there, you're going to go ahead and start wrapping the wrap through. Excuse me. Let me get this pushed back in. There it goes. All right. And then as you continue to wrap, you're going to pull it tighter. Each time you go over the top, get it wet. And you're going to go straight over the hole with as many wraps as you can get out of the wrap. You do not need to travel up and down the pipe to make this work. And each time you squeeze it, you're going to be able to see some of this resin starting to come out of the wrap. Get that nice and tight. I'm going right over the same spot in that hole. Again, no reason to keep traveling up and down. And that's it. Now the wrap is done. You use your water and you just continue to massage that in, squeeze it nice and tight. And you'll go and rub that resin back and forth to continue to feel it activate. You'll feel a little bit of heat with it because that's just the epoxy resin's activating. With that, you'll know that everything's working as it should. As you can see, the leak is not leaking any longer. It's just going through its curing process right now, which about 3 minutes or so from now, this is going to start getting pretty hard. And then in 30 minutes, you're going to have a fully cured product where you can walk away from this and have confidence that your leak is going to be stopped. As Bobby mentioned on the leaflet out there, we're looking at up to 750 PSI hold with that 103 metal stick being incorporated into the product. So are there any questions that anybody has inside the group right now?
Go ahead and unmute everyone. All right, those mics are open for anyone that has any questions. Doug.
I'm not hearing the questions.
I think you're still on mute, Doug.
Can you only use this on straight pipe?
It's a great question, Doug. No, you cannot just use it on straight pipe. You can use it on all different types of pipe, bends, elbows, tees. It works really great in those types of situations. We'll even train your crews on how to properly wrap a T-joint while crossing the fibers and making sure you're getting the most structured repair, engineered repair that you can with an emergency repair tape. This is already getting pretty tacky. It's pretty hard already. It's just going to continue to get hard like that. Yeah, go ahead.
Can you only use this on water leaks?
No, you don't have to use it just on water leaks. It is a water activated wrap, but it can be used in situations where you have air leaks, you have gas leaks. These are types of situations where this wrap will be effective and still work for what you're trying to get done. Great question.
Any other questions today?
Could you use it on a weak acid leak?
You know, on a weak acid leak, I would say that you would probably be okay with an emergency repair in this type of situation. Obviously, you would want to consult the safety data sheet of whatever chemical it is that you're working with and make sure that you're lining that up with the chemical resistance chart on the Resimetal 108, which we can help you out with that process as well. Any other questions?
All right, I'm not seeing any hands go up. Thank you guys for joining us today. This has been another USI Tech Talk. And you can reach out to us on LinkedIn or shoot us an email at office@usigroups.com if you have any questions. Thank you very much and have a great day.